Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got something super exciting for you. I'm going to show you how to get this game Hack for iOS and Android. The best part? You don't need any keys, Scarlet, or eSign if you're on iOS. As you can see, my game is already modded, and guess what? It's super easy to do. All you need is an online tool, and it'll take you just 2 to 3 minutes to set it up. So, let's dive in. Alright, first things first. Open the game. There, you'll see your username. Please remember it. We will need it later in this tutorial. Got it? Cool. Next up, grab your browser. I'm using Safari for this, but you can choose any browser that you like. Now, head over to the website I'll show on the screen. Once you're on the site, just type in the game name, and it should pop up at the top. Click on it. On the game post, hit the download button, and wait for the start injection button to appear. Once you see that, click it, and it'll take you to the online tool page. Here's the cool part. The tool we're going to use doesn't just work for this game. It's compatible with all the games on the website. Pretty awesome, right? Now back to the tutorial. On the tool page, this part is super simple. Enter your username or your game ID. Then choose your device type. I'll pick iOS for this demo. And hit Proceed. The tool is going to connect to your account and start doing its thing. After that, you'll get to the fun part, choosing how many resources you want. Pick your numbers, and the tool will connect to the game servers and add those resources directly to your account. Pretty sweet, right? Now, here's the only potential hiccup. If the site is super busy or there's a lot of traffic, you might have to do a quick human verification step. It's no big deal, just click the Verify Now button, and it'll take you to the next page. From there, you'll need to complete 2 simple offers like installing an app or answering a quick survey. And if you're unsure about this part, don't stress, there's a short tutorial video on that page to walk you through it. Once you're done, the resources will instantly show up in your game account, and boom, you're ready to crush your competition. And that's it, guys. Super easy, right? If this tutorial helped you out, do me a favor. Smash that like button, hit subscribe for more tips and tricks, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for hanging out with me today, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.